You ready, bro? You gonna do the intro?
Nah, you can do it, bro. Your channel, bro.
Alright. How's my makeup? How's the makeup? Alright.
Got some beard filler, bro. I need some beard filler.
Oh, it's not looking so good, bro. Alright. What is up, guys? Today we're gonna do a little install with the homie. We're gonna do his
Forced aero
and
side skirts.
There you go. On his 17
bro. 17 SI,
2017 bro. SI, Riced Out SI. Check out those soon to be all sponsors. Maybe.
Only one of them. Yoshimoto.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna do some little skirt action. Alright, so you guys can see the car's already up in the air. We got the side skirt right there. Oh, that's gonna go right there. Ta-da! Right there. And this is gonna be screwed on with these self-tapping screws. Somewhere in there. Somewhere in there. We'll make it work. Alright, we'll go ahead and set you guys down and we'll get started. First screw going in. No going back. Damn. That didn't go as planned. Dude, I thought I had pre-drilled.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Well, bro, just drill into my tire.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mark wherever we need holes and then we'll make holes and then we'll drill it. Alright, so new plan. Since we couldn't get it up there the first time by just holding it, we're gonna pre-drill some holes. That way we can make it easier on ourselves. Damn.
I know the power.
Too much power, too much Honda power. Ten holes?
Yeah, 10 holes, even though it's supposed to be pre-drilled.
Just watch you take off the plastic. They're right there. Yeah.
Oh, we see the holes on this side, no?
Alright, try number 2.
Bro, your wallet's flatter than
Like
mine.
YouTube revenue. All the demonetization going on.
You're hanging, bro. Look, he was ponytail. Bro, you put the thing back in the fucking drill, bro, in the school, man.
Dude, I got this, bro. What are you talking about? I'm the doctor, by the way. Just clearing that up.
Whatever, bro.
The doctor, my assistant. Alright, bro, there's no going back. Ta-da!
First
Screw in. I think it's the one at the end, too.
Oh. Try number 2.
A little harder than I thought, bro. Is it nice and straight?
Ow! Yeah.
Bleep. Gotta bleep that out. Is it straight right there?
Yeah. Oh, look at it, bro.
And just a nice skirt action. Alright. Gotta jack it up from the from the front. Alright, we just had to move the jack that way we can get the last, what is it, last 2 or 3?
2.
Last 2 bolts.
Here it is.
Low? Yeah, it's actually pretty good fit, man.
It is.
Touch your belong. Alright, show you guys the fitment real quick. There's one side right there. That's the end of the skirt right there. Matches almost perfect. There's that all the way down to this side. Lines up pretty close.
Well, the pulley actually came pre-drilled.
Yeah, enforced aero. And there you guys go. But yeah, that was pretty fast actually. Didn't take that long.
Are they tightened though?
Yeah, they're good. Pretty much the whole skirt.
On the driver's side, that is.
Driver's side skirt. Adds 10 foot-pounds of downforce to the center of the car. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other side. Alright, so we kind of didn't show you guys on the other side, but we had to take this little rubber piece off because it's kind of in the way. And to do that, there's these tabs or screws, whatever they are. We've got no idea how to take them off, so we pretty much just broke them off.
Pried them?
Well, we didn't pry them, we just broke them off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that on this side, and then we'll get the side skirt on there. Alright, you guys can, oh yeah, you guys can see the little plastic thing that used to be right there it's gone. So what we did, broke the clips off because we've got no idea how they work. Sorry, but we broke them off. And then now the whole thing's clear. Go ahead and attach the passenger side skirt. Hashtag Chacharino. Alright, so all we did was line up the holes, and now we're going to drill them, just like the other side. Cue the time lapse. It would help if that drill was actually plugged in.
Now, cue the time lapse, bro.
No, you can cue the time lapse. All right, that's the final product. This is the passenger side, all done, screwed in. Looks pretty good. Took like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Not that bad. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's install on the side skirts. Check out the 2017 Honda Civic Si. It's got that
Simon carbon fiber hood. Simon.
carbon fiber hood. Check it out. You know what it's called? Nope, doesn't know what it's called. Side skirts. Skirt.
So I just bought it. It looked cool.
He just bought it because it looked cool. That's all that matters. And then he's got the other side skirt and the splitter, enforced aero splitter. So yeah, it's a splitter and side skirts.
All from Enforced Aero.
Enforced aero. Quick plug.
Alright, you guys are looking for splitter or side skirts, go to enforcedaero.com and use discount code ANTR_racing for 10% off your order.
You guys heard it here first. Enforced aero. Alright, and that's gonna do it for today's quick video. Install. Whatever. You guys saw what we did. Did something. Alright,
Better than nothing.
Better than nothing. Looks pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool. Got all the that aero, that extra downforce.
Might break your ankles up.
I think he might need a big wang for next video, but we'll see. Alright.
We'll see how the funds are looking.
We'll see.
How the YouTube funds are looking.
We'll see how that YouTube revenue is doing. But that'll do it for today. Peace out, and catch you guys on the next one.
What are you guys gonna say?